Well, the DeSoto is about to ship to the owner, but before it goes, one last time, I'm gonna show you all the things that we did to this car. It is basically, the body is completely stock. Underneath on the chassis, we put C7 Corvette front suspension. We put a 9-inch Ford rear with 4-bar link system. We did the one-off wheels, it's got the big Bear brakes, but underneath the hood, this is the fun part. We've got the brand new Hemi power plant. Everything underneath the dash, brand new air conditioning, every wire is new. This is like a brand new car from bumper to bumper. The original hubcap on the DeSoto looked like a wire wheel. So I wanted to carry that same theme. We went to a larger diameter, and Mike Curtis from Curtis Speed took my drawings, he put them into the computer. I sat with him, we adjusted it. Now, if you remember the Jag wheel, I had that tapered curved spoke. We did the same thing on the DeSoto here. We did the knockoff center, which when this pulls off, you can get to the actual wheel lugs underneath there. But I love the wheels on the car. It has that stock look, just a little larger diameter. And then Diamondback made the one-off little white pinstripe tires for us, starting with a Michelin tire. We put the white wall on it, put them on the car. They drive excellent. I'm real happy with the wheel and tire package on the car. One of the things I had to fight for was the mohair interior. I absolutely love this material with this paint. When you look at that, it's almost a perfect match, but originally the owner wanted all leather, and I just thought the leather was gonna look not as elegant as the mohair would. I'm so happy that he went with the mohair. I'm extremely happy with the interior. You know, it looks stock, but it's updated just like the rest of the car, including the Arc Audio stereo system. Now on the back, the only real modification that we did to the exterior of the car itself is the rear bumper. The license plate was originally mounted right off of, it had a bracket on this panel and it was mounted up here. Well, we wanted to bring it down and clean that up. So we put the flat spot in the bumper and a new bracket. The lights, instead of turned this way, we just turned them down, still work on that. And then of course, Bill Dunn in the interior shop, we went ahead and finished the trunk out. You know, my dad always said that you're only as good as your customer allows you to be. So Steve, thank you for allowing us to make your automotive dream a reality.